Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. Of course, accepting financial advices. These questions I cannot answer it. So starting with Bitcoin on the daily chart, of course, on the daily, we are looking to a very tricky price action where we yesterday reached almost the all-time high, and then we start to retrace again towards the downside. Now, if we take the hour channel, of course, which are the most important thing to see right now, because you are in the most critical area, as we mentioned yesterday. This area is gonna, walk with us for the end of the week, I think, at least, and I think we're gonna range in this area a little bit unless we are faking out everything, right? So in case we are looking for coming back to our correction level here, therefore of course this is a totally fake out. Your chance to stay and to move towards the upside is hitting the blue line, your correction channel, using it as support, and then move up again towards the upside. These are the only possible way for me now. I don't see even a 1-2. Yesterday I said, okay, we might see a wave 4. I still doubt it, guys. I'm gonna come back to it. So let's make this very simple as analysis, guys. It is very simple. So far, we did not hit the 1-to-1 fib level. So here we go. This is your diagonal here, right? That we were following the several weeks. Okay, this is our diagonal finished, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And we did not hit this 1-to-1 fib level, and now we are retracing from our acceleration channel. We might come back to our to our blue line, the channel where it is here. What I'm saying here, of course, we hit exactly the perfect fib levels, even overshoot it, and now coming back. So as you can see, the red path that it can be here open is a 1-2 scenario, right? So we might have a wave 2 here in the bottom, right? And in that way, of course, we are kind of very short bearish. Very simple. Now, are we still in a multiple 1-2s? Yes, of course. Of course, we are still in a multiple 1-2s where you are looking to 1-2, 1-2, and then 1-2. However, what you would like to see to make sure that you are in a multiple 1-2s here, you need another 1-2 now, or a 3, 4, 5. Which it is a little bit a far possibility because of the impulsive structure here that it is hard to catch. Okay, that is, I cannot really catch an impulsive structure. I just see a zigzag here. I cannot really call it 1-2. Otherwise, if I want to break the rules, and I cannot do this, of course. So I'm not gonna say this is 1-2. As we even we managed, or we counted this wave altogether live, and we saw that it is not an impulse already. We were like trading it even, right? So however, I'm not gonna call a 1-2 here. I'm gonna call a finished diagonal, guys. I'm gonna call here possibility that it is a 1-2 here only if you get one more 1-2 and then you move up. Now your 1-2 here, your possible 1-2, if you want to have a 1-2, of course, you need to reach the fib levels, which are the minimum requirement is 0.38, right? The minimum requirement is 0.38, where you can call, because this is an impulse, of course, 1-2 and then 3, 4, 5. So this can be another 1-2 here and another 1-2, which is a very, very low possibility. Having more than 3 1-2s in general is too much, guys. Yeah, it's too much. However, we're gonna keep this. Nobody knows. Yeah, so we're gonna keep it, and we're gonna put one more count possibly here. So yeah, let's put one more count. So possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's see. This should be, of course, a very micro one, right? Here we go. So let's see if that is gonna be the case. All right. And yeah, to make it this more simpler, the last bearish scenario is to have a big structure as a zigzag, as a flat, or as a triangle. And that because we have A, B, C, and then A, B, and a C where we just finished an expanding flat. Our scenario that we were talking about it the whole time has just finished, guys, and we are looking at ABC, and then possibly another ABC towards the downside. And in that case scenario, of course, you are looking for any structure, as we said, as zigzag, flat, and triangle. One more thing, it can be another WXY. Yesterday I just catch this scenario. Yeah, so it can be ABC finished here as zigzag. This can be also an A because it can be a 5 waves up or a 3 waves up, but possibly 5 waves up, 3 waves down for B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even for C. By all means, you finished also a structure in this scenario, and then you are looking for one more structure towards the downside. And yes, so be careful with it, guys. I think that, yeah, this critical point has finished many scenarios, yeah. And we don't see really, if we, let's go move to the 1 hour chart. If we move to the 1 hour chart, guys, what we are looking at, I know it is a lot of consolidation, but everything has an explanation. And I'm gonna explain. So what we are looking at here is a possible, okay, if you are still bullish, you are possibly 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, and you want to reach, of course, the minimum requirement at 0.38. And this will be your fourth 1, 2, okay? After having 4 1, 2s, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, that's too much, yeah? I mean, it can be, guys, it can be, of course, everything is possible. However, what we are looking at here is possibly an impulse towards the downside. And yeah, I cannot really count the things here, yeah, unless on the 15-minute chart. So what we are looking at here is a contracting diagonal. Now, of course, on the 15-minute chart, it looks very sharp, just one leg. But if you dive a little bit deeper, you will see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as contracting diagonal. I know that it looks like a zigzag, and you might take it as 3 waves, but if you count here 2 waves inside it, therefore the only way is to take it as WXY, because WXY is, let's say, any structure, ABC and then ABC. WXY is always less possible than a contracting diagonal. If you find a contracting diagonal, of course, contracting diagonal has much more possibility than WXY. Therefore, we are in a contracting diagonal. Now, you will tell me what the hell this is. This is ABC for your A, then ABC for your B, ABC for your E, ABC for your D, and ABC for your E. By all means, you are in a triangle, guys. Triangle in ABCDE reversed just because one leg down here. Yeah? So your wave 2 is a triangle, and I think someone asked me a few days ago, and he told me, "Oh my God, I mean, I thought that triangles is never for wave 2." And here we go. This is an example, my friend. This is an example, a live example that's happening in Bitcoin. A wave 2 as a triangle, okay? Or it can be a wave B, of course. I'm not saying that we are going directly like bullish, but bearish. But what I see here, because we need to reach the 0.38, okay? We need some kind of like impulse or diagonal or something. However, starting with a triangle means the trend is gonna be very strong. Okay, guys, just to let you know, a triangle like this means that the trend towards the downside, it's gonna be strong somehow. Okay, so 2 possibilities, of course, here. It is, the first one is that we are in a 1-2, okay, which it has Yeah, I would say 50%, unless we go deeper, possibly, and then move up. The lowest possibility is that you are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It can be, guys, it can be, but I really doubt it, because this cannot really be an impulse or a contracting diagonal. And I don't like to break the rules. Even, yeah, sometimes there is some deviation in the chart, but it's really hard to say, okay? It's really hard to say that it's gonna be a 1, 2 here, okay? I still see it as WXY, to be honest. WXY, and then we moved up with this impulse, finished a zigzag, finished a diagonal, and then, okay, new structure is unfolding now. Yeah? This is my possibility. This is my highest possibility. So therefore, my highest possibility, where are we going, to where are we going? It is very, very possible, guys, that we are going for a big wave 2 towards the downside. For me, this is what I think, because what I think always, what is the healthiest? What is the healthiest option? Now, of course, you don't, Bitcoin don't care about healthiness, right? There is a lot of supporters there outside, so my highest possibility still is a wave 2. Okay, guys, big wave 2 after a diagonal. This is my highest possibility for me, and I'm looking, of course, for a lower prices so far. Now, of course, nothing is confirmed yet. Nothing is confirmed unless, where is the channel? Here we go. Unless we break this blue line. Okay, if we break this blue line, guys, just to let you know, look at your fib levels. Okay, your fib levels for a wave 1 to be a wave 1, 2 here, you need, of course, to break this channel, right? I mean, if you want to take the preferable fibs. Now, we all know that a wave 2 can start from 0.38, as we said, or 0.5. Nobody knows. So it can be, yeah. But if we break those levels and we break our blue line channel, okay, therefore, yeah, be careful as well. We come back, okay, very, very traps, a lot of traps here, yeah. So you can break this and then, preferred level for wave 2. Sorry, I was meaning that I going upside again. Okay, so, a lot of traps. And then, you don't know, it might even goes down, breaks this, and then, of course, continuation towards the downside. So even if we break the blue line, there is still a possibility for a trap, okay, and then move up. So this is what I want to say, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.